I've talked about how reverb can make your track sound thin and washed out if you use too much of it. I'd like to now talk about how beneficial reverb can be. Reverb is emulating a space or an environment. So for me, what I aim for when I'm mixing down my music is for each element to have its own space in the mix, its own characteristics, its own entity, but at the same time, it's a part of the same track. You may have seen tips about having one reverb on a bus and then having all of your channels that you want to apply reverb going through that same bus for consistency. I prefer the opposite. I prefer each sound to have its own tiny tight reverb to help separate it from the mix, but then I'll give it some glue, maybe with some parallel compression or some clever EQing or other processes. So it's really important for me to have every element in the mix having its own space. Give it a go, let me know what you think, and look out for the International Online School coming soon.